Hello everyone, how are you? I am fine and I hope that you all will be well. Today I am going to talk about class 10th. Class 10th Biology chapter 1st Life Process part 4. This is the part 4. This video is the part 4 in this chapter. So let us start now. In this video, we discuss about the nutrition in animals. Nutrition in animals, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, nutritions and their steps We discuss about nutrition in animals. We know about the nutritions and we discuss in previous video in nutrition, but in this video also we discuss about the nutrition. What is the nutrition? We discuss in this video nutrition in animal. Okay, so we see and discuss about nutrition. Nutrition, the process of obtaining food. The process of obtaining food and them using it for obtaining energy. Obtaining energy, growth and repair of the body is called nutrition. This is the nutrition. And here nutrition in animal, you can see all animal have a heterotrophic mode of nutrition. We studied in previous video mode of nutrition. So animal have the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So this is the all animals can be divided into 3 groups and basic of their food habit. According to food habitat, animals are divided into various parts like as herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. We discuss about in this video herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. What is the herbivorous? Those animals which eat only herb or grass. Herb or grass. Those animals which eat only plant are called herbivorous. These are the herbivorous. Like as goat, cow, buffalo, sheep, horse, deer, camel, ass, ox, elephant, monkey, squirrel, rabbit, grasshopper and hippopotamus. These are the herbivorous. Such organism which they eat only plant or grass or herb. These are the herbivorous. We see goat eat only herb. We also see cow also eat only plant. etc. These are the herbivorous. Such animals who eat herb only, they are the herbivorous. And second, carnivorous. What is the carnivorous? Those animals which eat only flesh or meat. These are the carnivorous. Like as those animals which eat only other animals as food are called carnivorous. These are the carnivores. For example, lion, tiger, frog, vulture, kingfisher, lizard, wolf, snake, and hawk. These are the carnivores because they eat only animals or meat or flesh. है ना? These are the carnivores. And again omnivorous. Those animals which eats both plant and animals, which eat plant and animals are called omnivorous. Means such organism who eat both plant and meat, they are the omnivorous. Like as human being, we eat meat and we also eat plant. Okay, so a human is the omnivorous. For example, man, dog, cow, sparrow, bear, moth, and ant. These are the omnivorous because they eat both animal and plant. And again we discuss about nutrition. What is the nutrition? The process of obtaining food. The process of obtaining food from using them using it for obtaining energy. We take food and we use inside of our body, and this material used in obtaining energy, growth. These are the nutrition. So the process of obtaining food, them using obtaining food and using it for obtaining energy, obtaining food and them using for obtaining energy. We use food for obtaining energy, growth, and repair of the body, and repair of the body is called nutrition. This is the nutrition. There are 5 steps in the process of nutrition in animals are there. We discuss about animal nutrition. Okay, so there are 5 steps in the process of nutrition in animals. 5 process occur. No, 5 process like as ingestion. First, ingestion. Second, digestion. Third, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. These 5 steps use the animal for using food of their body as nutrition. So we discuss about first step, ingestion. In this step, in ingestion step, the process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. When we take food, this is the ingestion. The process of taking food into the body. When we take food into the body, this process is the ingestion. Again we discuss about digestion. What is the digestion? The process in which the food containing large insoluble molecule large insoluble molecule is broken down in small water soluble molecule which can be absorbed by the body is called digestion. In digestion, we take food, they are large molecule and digest inside of alimentary canal, and they break down small molecule, and small molecule absorbed by the body. This process is the absorption. This process is the absorption. Large molecule broken down into soluble small molecule, these are the digestion. Okay, so this is the nutrition in animal and some step like as ingestion and digestion. So thanks for watching video. Please subscribe this video and press the bell icon. Okay, thanks.